Basta hindi siya patalo, pero 22.2% nakakalimutan ng tao na ito pa lang si Mikey Williams ay nandito na 22.2% is practically the guy with the lowest percentage shooting sa Converge. Si Mikey Williams, that's 22.2%. That's a little bit shameful. When everyone else is scoring above 45, 44, ito medyo, Mikey, you need to do better. Okay? You need to do better. Everyone else is shooting better except for you. 2 out of 9. And the elimination is almost over. Okay, para kay Mikey Williams. So talaga namang sabi ko, naku po. Ano nangyayari dito kay Mikey Williams? Parang hanggang kailan ang kalawang. So hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal yung kontrata niya, kung 1 year. So pag-iisipan natin kung gaano katagal pa kailangan ni Mikey Williams pa mapagpag yung kalawang.